Good day everyone, how you doing? I hope you guys doing very well there and welcome back to our channel. It is very happy to see you again into our another video. So this time I would like to share you how to use the Kuse AI to create something in it. So without any further ado, and let's get into the tutorial. So here introducing the Kuse AI, and this is the look of the homepage of the Kuse AI. And if you would like to searching for this Kuse, then you can simply searching for it in the Google, and this is the look Kuse AI, all in one AI canvas where you can chat files, links, and videos into site and action. And you can choose the plan. And also, as you can see here, the Qsa is a workspace for visual thinkers to do serious work with AI. Mars canvas-based user interface, powerful AI model, and accurate information with sources. And you can simply open it and don't forget to do the login first with your email. And after that, this is the look of the homepage of the QSA. And you can start to create the project. But if you would like to know about their package that they offer to you, so you can click upgrade your plan. And as you can see, there are several packages over here from the standard, pro until the team and enterprise. And you can go back to the project. And for the new user, don't worry because they will give you one chance to create any creations. For example, if you would like to create the project, then you can simply click this. And after that, it will bring you into this section. You can start to upload your files. And for example, it will help you to generate the image, summarize the file, make the chart, enter the prompt, and searching for the interesting facts. And if you would like to, for example, I have tried to use this Kuse AI to make this video about the prompt engineering tutorial, master ChatGPT and LLM responses. Thank you, Free Code Camp. Don't forget to visit this channel, guys, and go back to this Kuse project AI. So here I ask for this Kuse AI to help me to create the PowerPoint file about this YouTube video. And after that, you can simply put this link and enter. And after that, it will bring you into this section. Well, before this result is shown here, so there will be the action like, have you ever saw about how the another open AI would like to do the generation process, like give you the detail of this video, and after that it will give you the next action that this AI will help you to transform the code into this PowerPoint file. And after waiting for maybe 2 until 5 minutes, so this will be the result, guys. As you can see, this is the file that you can ready to post. But if you would like to download this file, you can simply click download. And if you would like to download it as PDF, so you need to get more credits to download this file, and you can transform it into the PowerPoint, guys. And this is the look. If you would like to simply present this material into your audience, you can simply click it. Click this open a new tab, and you can simply presentate this material. So that's all, guys. Don't forget to try this Kuse AI because it's very helpful for you. And if you have any requests or feedback, please don't worry to put it on a comment down below because we would love to see your comments there. I'll see you in another video and thank you for watching. Bye, guys.